In this video today, we will see how to lock the text message application in your iPhone. Now the first method to lock the text message is to lock the iPhone itself. So when you put a passcode on your iPhone, then other person cannot open the iPhone, due to which they cannot see the text messages. Also, what you need to do is you need to go to settings, notifications. You will go down and select messages, and here show previews you will select never, so that the preview of the text message won't be available on the notification of the iPhone. So this is the easiest thing that you can do. But if you want to lock the text message application without locking your phone, then what you do is go to settings, screen time, select this option, turn on screen time, select turn on screen time, select this option, this is my iPhone. Scroll down, select this option, use screen time passcode, and enter a passcode here. This passcode is different than the one that you use to open your iPhone. Now you can enter your Apple ID here. This Apple ID will be used to reset the screen time passcode in case you forget it. For me, I won't forget the screen time passcode, so I will select cancel and then skip. So once I have set the screen time passcode, what I will do is I will go to app limits, select this option add limit, and I will select this option social, and under social I will select messages. Next, and what I will do is I can allow this message to be used for 1 minute only, and then add. So what I have done here is I have allowed the usage of messages application for 1 minute every day. After that I will go back, and there is one more thing that you have to do is you have to go to this option always allowed, and you have to remove this messages application from allowed apps list. If you include these messages in this allowed apps list, then even though you apply screen time passcode, you cannot lock messages. So I will tap on this minus icon here and then remove. Now you have got a warning message that removing messages from always allowed list will stop syncing and sharing the text messages with other iOS devices if you are using the same iCloud account. So for me, I will select remove. I don't want these messages to be seen in other iOS devices. So once I do it, I will close it. Now if I open this messages application for 1 minute, then let us see what will happen after 1 minute. Now you can see that the text message application time limit is finished. I can tap on this option ask for more time, and I can use 1 more minute. Now after 1 minute is finished, now this time you can't ask for more time. What happens if I tap on this option ask for more time? In this case, I can't borrow any more minute. I have to enter screen time passcode, then only I will be able to use the message application. So in this way you can lock messages in iPhone. This might not be the most effective way to lock messages, but at least it works.